later this week may be blown down, resulting in debris on roads. Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for Russell County in southwestern Virginia, Scott County in southwestern Virginia, western Washington County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Wise County in southwestern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and public reports on social media indicated heavy rain across the warned area is producing dangerous flooding conditions. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, public reported. Intact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lebanon, Gate City, Weber City, Cleveland, Virginia, Coburn, Honaker, St. Paul, Nicholsville, Dominion, Flintsport, Castlewood, Collingwood, Hansonville, Benton, Holston, Hilton, Fort Blackmore, Rosedale, and Guy. Flood warning has been replaced with a flash flood warning. The flood warning is replaced by a flash flood warning for a portion of southwest Virginia, including the following areas: Russell, Scott, Washington, and Wise. The threat of flooding continues and a flash flood warning is now in effect. Please refer to the bulletin for more information. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash.
Yeah, so, as you can see, well, already, a flash flood warning issued by MRX for the Morristown, Tennessee WFO for the Virginia counties of Russell, Scott, Washington, and Wise, with Washington, Virginia being what WNG588 has for their county area. And as you just heard, this replaced a previous aerial flood warning that has those same counties in the same area for this newly issued flash flood warning here. So basically just an upgrade in the warnings for this area.